Hi, this is Bill, Burromax Mini Bikes. We're here in the shop today. We're going to do some how-to videos. We're going to install the taller handlebars. And now we're going to install our new bars. A little taller, a little wider. This is a pretty good sized guy that rides this thing, so let's get him set up here. This Allen wrench actually comes in the tool kit if you don't have one. Loosen this up, slide it in. We're going to take a small common screwdriver, put it right between the grip and the handlebar, push it in as deep as we can get it. Shoot a little Windex up in there. Kind of pull this around a little bit. Break the seal loose, and off it comes. We'll do the same with the other side. Loosen this brake lever up, slide it in. Small common screwdriver. Slide it deep into this grip as far as we can get it. Shoot some Windex up in there. Move this around so that it breaks that grip loose. Turn it and spin it right off. In order to get these pieces off, because the wires aren't long enough the way it's set up on the bike, we're going to take and pull our bars off. And pull these bars out here, and then we can slide them right off. This is your bushing, you gotta have it. Your throttle comes off. Yeah, so it's not a whole lot, but it makes a big difference for an adult rider.
Doesn't hit your knee as much.
Doesn't hit your knee near as bad. You'd be surprised what that little bit does. And now we slide it right back on there. Slide your bushing on. Our grip's still got a little Windex on it, so it'll slide right back on. That stuff will dry out shortly and be in real good shape. And make sure your wires are all straight. We'll put this one on. And put our clamps back on it. Center of the bars. This guy's pretty good size, so we're going to move him forward fine. Yeah, our grip's still got a little slickum on it, so we'll stick that dude back on there. Get her just set up. Get our throttle back in place here. Tighten our little clamp up. And now, it's good. Tighten our grip back up. Don't over tighten this bolt. It's plastic. If you tighten it too tight, the lever will get stuck because it pushes against it up in here. Just snug it up, be firm, that's it. Okay? So now, just a little bit. Pull right in. Pull it to the full right. Everything's got a good, nice setup. Full left, it works good. That's it.